Hello, my name is Mir Patel. Thank you and welcome to my blog. I've got a perfect blueprint to your successful life. And I want to share with you in all these series of videos and my coaching sessions as well as speaking slots that I'm doing currently everywhere. Some of my personal experiences and some of the people I've met from the Deepak Chopra's, Tony Robbins, Raymond Aarons, various people from the movie The Secret, etc. And I want to share the whole blueprint from taking the best of everyone into one single delivery mechanism with very good research content. Today, I'm going to talk to you about the power of the mind and how to address some of those issues. So, have you ever realized that your brain can achieve anything you give it the power to do? What do I mean? You are the power of your brain. If the brain says, I have got a cold or a headache, and you learn how to train the brain to send certain placebo effect chemical reactions to that part of the body, those problems go away. There are various examples like this in India through yoga and meditation, which is not bullshit what people say. It works. I have seen it work with my own eyes. It's worked for me. How it's helped me focus, razor sharp focus like a pinpoint arrow. How to achieve things through yoga and meditation. Why? Because your brain, and you're giving it time for yourself rather than anybody else. We all have meetings with other people. Have a meeting with yourself through that yoga and meditation session. Believe me, you will see a big difference within 4 weeks, guaranteed. The other thing about that is, people say we do mantras, we do chanting, we listen to all this neural music. All of this works. Find out what's the best for you. See what works for you. For me, certain types of music and meditational sounds help me. And if you want more information, please sign up to my blog and I'll be sharing very openly because I'd like to help you get to your blueprint of your success in life.